In beautiful Maryville, Tennessee, we invite you to tour 907 Huntington Farms Rd, an awesome 4-bedroom, 2-bath brickstone rancher offering over 2,200 square feet of living area. Believe it when we say this home has virtually everything for the entire family. Step inside, take in the solid construction from the vaulted and tray ceiling to the stylish polished concrete flooring. From your great room, the open concept design provides exceptional spaciousness throughout to the fully equipped kitchen, replete with loads of granite counter space, island, and stainless steel appliances. Welcome to the master suite, so expansive it offers up a sitting area. The full bath provides 2 walk-in closets, a spacious jet tub, and dual vanity on counters of granite. Of course, all your bedrooms will accommodate a growing family or can accommodate different needs. This is the perfect executive office. There's more. Step outside to the patio and this 16 by 30 foot in-ground saltwater pool. The liner's only 3 years old, and past the fire pit and play areas, this 20 by 30 foot climate-controlled metal garage that could be the ideal man cave or separate family area, all up to your imagination. With a new HVAC unit and property fence, along with a host of features throughout, 907 Huntington Farms Rd in Maryville, Tennessee awaits your private tour. Call the Blevins Group of Realty Executives Associates direct at 865-999-HOME.